Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. This is gonna be the first video. I think I'm gonna call the channel 91 octane just because I live in Cali and that's the gas we got. The channel is gonna be about my w210 e55. This is a car that I've dreamed about since I was a little kid, just seeing it for the first time as a little kid and then being able to buy it later on. There's many mods coming to this. In the future I'm gonna have a manual swap coming up, like the videos are gonna start coming up soon, and this video is just gonna be an intro video to the car, to the exhaust clip, and then in the description I'll say what's done to the exhaust so that any other owners that want to mod up their exhaust can do whatever I've done. So yeah, this is about the car. It's a 2000 E55 with 170,000 miles currently. It's been my daily driver for both school and everything. It has never left me stranded. It hauls ass, it's pretty fast. The only thing that's letting the car down is this transmission. For any of you that has owned a Mercedes 5-speed car, the 722.6, you might know what I'm talking about. The transmission doesn't let the car shine. Like it always searching for the right gear, never in the right gear, you know. And then the torque converter doesn't know when to lock up, and then when it does, it just slams into gear. It's kind of a weird experience. Maybe it's just my transmission since mine's kind of starting to wear out. But instead of replacing it with another auto, I just decided to go all out and go into a manual. So yeah, that's gonna be the future videos, and in this one you're gonna get some sort of cool clips and the exhaust sound and some launches. Alright, let's get to it.